Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. I am Dynamite and this is Dynamite FX. So guys, I don't want to stay so long on this. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do the needful. Give me your subscription and give me your likes, and please wait patiently to the end of this video. We won't be long on this. I want to share a little secret with us on forex traders for those who are forex lovers. Okay, today I'm not going to be talking about how to catch spikes on boom and crash and all of that. Okay, I've been doing that for the past weeks and days now. So I want to for those of us trying to trade forex and you'll be having difficulties. Okay, so I decided, okay, let me just help my forex traders, forex folk. Okay, there are different ways. They used to say there are different ways to catch a rat. Okay, so in the midst of other strategies in the markets, price action trading, of course, which involves the trend trading, trend line, all of that, channels and the rest, I just want to add one more to your list of strategies. Okay, keep trying them. Like I used to say, before you do anything, please always try this out on your demo. Okay, sometimes the person who teaches you a strategy is already ahead of you in that strategy, so the person knows how to go around it. Okay, if things don't seem to turn out the way it was expected. So I don't want to stay long. Okay, my folks, my subscribers have said I should try to make the video shorter. Okay, sometimes it gets long because I'm really trying to pass the message, but I won't do that in this video. I don't want to take long. I just want to show you my same. If you haven't checked my setup, okay, for the indicators, please do visit other YouTube videos, my other videos. You will see the setup. So on this video, okay, for MACD, I will be using 13.269. This is the two I use, 12 or 13. So I'm going to be using 13. This is forex, so I want to be more conservative. Okay, so let's dive in. I talked about the conditions of trading. Okay, we're going to be making use of just one moving average. Let me take this. Let me use the 50 moving average. Let me silence this for now. Sorry, I'm going to silence this for now. I would show you how to actually use the other moving average, but for this video I want to focus on this. So guys, the condition first of all is price trending under the 50 moving average. Please, the green line is the 50 moving average. The green is the 50 simple moving average. Like I said, you could use exponential, you could use smoothed, but I'm using simple right here. Okay, it's the same rules. Whatever one you're using, whichever one you decided to choose to use, even if you're using the smoothed, make sure that the conditions are met. For now, it is simple for us on this video. So the rules, like I said, when you are looking to buy or to sell, first of all, guys, you're looking for MACD telling you it is time to buy. For example, if you want to buy, guys, this is gold. For gold lovers, there are a lot of people out there looking for how to get fill their pockets, their accounts with money made from gold. So this is one of the ways. If you pay attention, you make money. So this is it. I always say, look out for a cross. Look out for a cross. Please, if you're new to my channel, just go back. Go back. I'm very consistent with these things, guys. Very consistent. So this is the MACD strategy. Okay. So the first condition is look for a change in direction on the MACD. This is it. Look at this arrow here. This arrow, price telling us that market has changed direction. Okay, and then let's say you came online and you saw this. You saw that price is actually MACD is actually telling you to buy. And what are you looking for? Now, don't forget, the reason why I decided to use the moving average is to help you, because the moving average actually is a dynamic support, serves as a dynamic support and resistance in the market. You may not be able to see that by yourself. You may not be able to know if a market is trending. As you can see, this market is actually doing is actually trending upwards. Came out from here, went up, retested, went up, creating higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, continuously. Okay, as you can see there. And so you keep seeing this, and the market has told you it is time to buy. Please, this is what you do. Once you see this retest, always look out for a retest of either a price that touched the 50 moving average and closed back. Once price touches the 50 moving average and closes back, the bullish candle that closes back is your entry. Your stop loss is below where you have this box. The same thing repeats itself here. Now this is when the condition, when price actually touches the moving average neatly. Okay, what if it didn't touch? You have to also pay attention to levels. Okay, there are other levels in the market. Like this is what we have. This is another support. This is a support turned resistance. So this could be your entry if you had missed the other entry. Please pay attention. I'm not gonna stay long. This is it. This could be. I'm still waiting, guys, for your subscription. Okay, I said when we get to a certain number, there is a hack I'm going to take you guys on. I'm going to show you something you use in trading, but that's mainly for boom and crash, just boom and crash. So if you want to see that hack, if you want to see that strategy, do me the favor of subscribing to my channel. Okay, it also repeats itself here. So this is for gold. I'm going to do a video on how to trade GU very soon. So like I said, price is still trending downward here, and MACD had crossed for a sell. Okay, and you went there. Like I said, you don't force the market. You only follow what the market is presenting to you, what the market is actually showing you. So right here, the market had crossed for a sell. Okay, there was a cross, even though this place was a range, but it crossed. We are after the cross. It crossed over there. Follow the cross here. You see that after it crossed, this was the first retest, and this retest took place under where the MACD was saying, hey, I'm in for a sell. Okay, this is where it took place. Let me make that bold. Please, I hope you know you cannot trade forex market effectively if you do not know price action. Okay, this is pure price action, guys. Like I always say, if you know me, I do not trade without indicators, but I do not overlook price action, because that is it. You have to know how to trade with price action. If you do not know that, you have to learn, you have to get trained, you have to study that or get mentored. And of course, I offer mentorship programs. Okay, all you need to do is DM me via my email. Okay, that is the only way you can get me. For now, that is the only way you can get me if you want to ever get mentorship on how to do these things. So you can see those levels. This is an entry. This is another entry. Let's go. There are a lot of examples there. I had to mark them so I would not keep this video going for too long. Please just follow. What is the rule? The number one rule is MACD says I'm selling. Look for a touch, a rejection on the moving average. This is what I mean. I've showed you already. MACD is selling. You can see that here. MACD is below. This is it. You can see this line where you have the zero. You can see what price is doing up and down here. You can see that there are two parts of this chart. I had to shrink this so that you can see it well. You can see this. I don't want to stay long, please. That was why I said go through my video. You can see this level. Whenever you zoom in or out, you might not see that, but you have to zoom out in completely so that you can see that price has actually either gone up or price is down. So this is the middle level. Okay, that's the middle level. So whenever there is a cross, price will either be up, or when it crosses, price will be down. So that's what I mean by when MACD is up, that is when it is up this way, it's buying. When it is down this way, it is selling. So when you have seen that, you can now open this up. You can now open it up. You already know the location of your chart. After seeing where it is, you open it up. Okay, so this view is okay for you to see the up and down crosses. So right now, this market had crossed for a sell, actually. So what do you do here? Like I said, sometimes the price may not necessarily come back to touch the moving average. Don't forget, I said I'm using a simple moving average, simple moving average 50 period. Okay, maybe if you were using an exponential, price would have touched exponential. If you now to use moving averages very well, you know that the different periods prices react based on the period. Okay, so for this period, for the simple moving average 50, right here we are watching here right now, price did not actually touch the 50. Okay, but price actually was at a former zone. This is a zone. This is a zone, guys. Price was a support here, and then went up, came back, broke out of this place and retested this place. So this becomes a new resistance. This is price action, guys. If you know this, so market has actually started trending downwards, and as you can see the movements, if you know how to trade trend lines, okay, you can see that price is doing this, is going down. So that these are ways of combining, if you know all of this, you have an edge in the market. So you can see that every time market is trying to do the movements we call higher high, higher low, or lower high, lower low, and the rest, you will see that this usually happen. Price will come over here, will touch here, price will touch here, will come out, price will come out and then go back in. Price will always come out of that place. Then when the price comes back in, oh god, this is too okay. When the price comes back in, this is when this retest happened. Each time the price came back in to the trend, you're already knowing that this is a downtrend, okay? Like I said, the trend is your friend. It's trending downwards. For what you can see here, this cross came back here, and then this was the next retest here. So please, guys, go through my video on boom and crash, on how to trade boom and crash. You're going to see exactly what I have said. A lot of examples, guys. This is another one. Price has changed direction, and it is now buying, okay? You can see the price is doing higher high and higher low right here. And then what do you see? You can see this confusion right in the MACD, up and down movement. And then you now see the market is actually trending up right here. What do? You begin to look for either a retest of price. This is MACD now telling you, okay, it is time to buy. After this cross here, this is an inner trend that has been broken, okay? And you see the market begins to go upwards. What do you do right here? You have to now look out for, this is a breakout of this structure. Don't forget, this is a trend line that has been broken, and then you see a retest. What happens? This market closed while price was still telling you to buy, and this was your entry, and this is your stop loss. Don't forget, in forex you have to give room for stop loss. This is H1, guys, and this is gold. Please do not use a lot size. Do not risk what you're not ready to. This is gold, just in case it doesn't go as expected. You don't get to lose your money too much. So I always preach price. You have to make sure that you keep your account safe. So while it begins to do this movement, all you keep doing is look for opportunity to enter while it's still close to the moving average. That is the best shot. Okay, that's the best shot. Continuously, I can keep going on and on. You can keep seeing this. Please, you can see what I'm saying. This is a very perfect scenario, guys. Very perfect. Very, very perfect. All you needed to do was get this. Let me get a screenshot out of this. This is a very beautiful outlook. So, guys, you can continue to do this. This is for gold. I'm going to let you know in my next video the pairs you can use for this. Please, every strategy does not work for every pair. Okay. Now this is price broke out of an upwards trend, okay, and retested this zone and came back down. And price has said, I am selling right here. Okay. Don't forget there's a cross downwards here. Price is saying, I am selling. And then you get to see this retest here. That is your entry. This is your entry. Any place around this zone, this is your stop loss. This is your entry. So the same way, you can see that there was a good price action around this zone. You can see that you can recognize this candle right here. Okay, this is the entry, and this was the stop loss. Now, price changed direction and said, I am buying. What do you now see? Price actually broke out and retested the zone. This is your entry. This is your stop loss. All of this was for catch, and this is gold. Guys, this is the end of this video. Please, I want you to keep sharing this out. Please, I need more comments, and for those of you who keeps coming back, I'm grateful. I'm happy. Please help me share this video. Help me tell people who want to trade forex. If you want to trade forex, you're okay trading forex, this is a very good strategy for you. Okay, I'm going to be sharing other good strategies for forex trading as well. If you want to trade boom and crash, of course, I have tons of videos to help you through your trading journey. So guys, please share this video. Share this video, guys. Help me get to my destination. Okay, I'm trying all I can to make sure that we have a good content. Please, guys, do this for me. And if you want to opt in for mentorship, okay, I'm available for mentorship anytime, any day, okay, but on schedule. So you have to reach me via my mail. Please do not allow anybody scam you. Don't get scammed. Don't get scammed, please. make sure that it is me you're communicating with, please. Okay, that is why I said my email first, because I'm working on other things for now. So guys, thank you very much for staying to the end of this video, and see you some other time. See you some other time in another video. Stay blessed.